Have you tried deleting multiple calculated columns but could not do so? Let me help you. On my right, I have a calendar table. In calendar table, I have multiple calculated columns. If I need to delete all the columns from calendar table, I need to select them. When I try to select all the calculated columns, system do not let me do that. I can select one column at a time. So in order to select all the calculated columns, I need to go to relationship window. In relationship window, again in the fields pane, I need to expand the calendar table. If I select all the calculated columns, I can do that just by pressing Control. If you need a faster way, right click on the table and select column. But it also selects the existing column. Just unselect that column, just press Control and just deselect. Now right click on your calculated column and press delete from more. Press yes. Now all the calculated columns are removed. With this, we deleted all the calculated columns. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.